Learn English, Introduction to Painting. Hello and welcome to our English language learning video series. In this episode, we will explore the topic of painting. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you learn common words and phrases related to painting. So, let's get started. There are various types of paint used for different purposes. Paint is a liquid substance that is applied to surfaces to add color or protection. Here are a few common types of paint. Water-based paint. This type of paint uses water as its main solvent. It dries quickly and is easy to clean up. It's commonly used for interior walls and ceilings. Oil-based paint. Oil-based paint uses oil as its main solvent. It takes longer to dry and requires mineral spirits for cleanup. It's often used for exterior surfaces and woodwork. Acrylic paint. Acrylic paint is a water-based paint that dries quickly and forms a durable, flexible finish. It's commonly used for arts and crafts projects. To paint effectively, you'll need the right tools. Here are some essential painting tools you should be familiar with. Paintbrush. A paintbrush is a tool with bristles used for applying paint. It comes in various sizes and shapes, such as flat, round, or angled. Roller. A roller is a cylindrical tool with a handle used for covering large areas quickly. It's great for painting walls and ceilings. Drop cloth. A drop cloth is a protective sheet placed on the floor or furniture to prevent paint splatters and spills. Painter's tape. Painter's tape is a type of masking tape used to create clean, straight lines while painting. It's often used for taping off edges and corners. Now let's go through the basic steps for painting a wall. 1. Prepare the surface. Clean the surface and remove any dirt, dust, or loose paint. If needed, apply a primer to create a smooth base for the paint. 2. Protect the area. Use a drop cloth to cover the floor and any furniture nearby. Use painter's tape to mask off areas you don't want to paint. 3. Apply the paint. Dip your paintbrush or roller into the paint and start applying it to the surface. Use long, even strokes for a smooth finish. Remember to work from top to bottom. 4. Allow the paint to dry. Depending on the type of paint used, it may take a few hours or longer for the paint to dry completely. Avoid touching or smudging the paint while it's drying. 5. Apply additional coats. If necessary, apply additional coats of paint to achieve the desired color and coverage. Allow each coat to dry before applying the next one. 6. Clean up. Once you're done painting, clean your brushes and tools with water or the appropriate cleaning solution. Remove the painter's tape and drop cloth carefully. Congratulations! You've learned some essential vocabulary and steps related to painting in English. Remember to practice using these words and phrases in context to improve your language skills. Keep exploring our video series for more English language learning topics. Thanks for watching, and happy painting!